Hey everybody, welcome back to Ken's Food Review. How you doing today? We're down to probably one of the best breakfast places in Florida. First Watch. This one's in Bartram Park, right down the road from me. So definitely had to come out here with Pepe this morning and grab some good breakfast. Got some $1 Million bacon, some breakfast tacos, and some pico de gallo and beans, some good hot fresh coffee, good thick cut of toast, some hash, and 2 over easy eggs. So we're gonna be doing all right today. While Pepe's refilling his coffee, we'll try out some of his $1 Million bacon right here. It's just, look at all that beautiful maple syrup just dripping and oozing off of that. Perfect thick cut bacon with a nice sweetness with that maple syrup on it. Absolutely out of this world. Definitely beats Bob Evans' $1 Million bacon all day, every day, no problem. So we got Pepe over here. How's that toast doing? You pretty impressed?
Everything's good.
Everything's good?
Look how thick that is.
That's a thick cut toast. They definitely don't skip you here at First Watch.
Oatmeal on it.
Oatmeal crumbs and everything else too.
Bacon's very good.
Show everybody how nice and juicy that bacon. Oh, look at that maple syrup just dripping off of that. This is awesome bacon right there. How the eggs cooked, perfect. Yeah. What do you rate your breakfast?
Give it an 8.
8?
It's good.
All right.
No, it is a very good breakfast.
How are the potatoes? Are they seasoned nicely?
Yeah, they call this hash brown, but you know.
Yeah, definitely a different kind of hash brown around here in Florida.
Fried onions.
Oh, even threw fried onions in it? That's a pretty good touch.
Very good breakfast.
Awesome. Glad you're enjoying it.
Highly recommend this place.
Yeah, you like it that much? All right. What other places in Florida do you like for breakfast? Is this the top breakfast place in Florida?
This is the best place in Florida.
Best place in Florida. And there you go, ladies and gents. You heard it from the man himself, Pepe. Best restaurant for breakfast in Florida. I got these amazing breakfast tacos with cage-free eggs, some pico de gallo, some avocado not from Mexico, chorizo, and some chicken on top that is Cajun and spiced perfectly. Definitely a nice big taco with a corn tortilla. Everything you get here is absolutely on fire and on point. I've never been disappointed at First Watch. Between the hospitality, the service, and the food, you definitely can't go wrong here. The pico de gallo and the beans are up. Avocados are now banned from Mexico, so this is probably from California. Where else do they grow avocado from? I don't know. But we'll do some pico de gallo and beans up on this beautiful taco. Everything's just so juicy and flavorful. The chicken's absolutely tender and on point. Has perfect flavor along with that egg. And then the pico de gallo and the beans are really just top of the line right there. You really can't go wrong with the $1 Million bacon covered in this maple syrup. This might be the best part of coming is getting this bacon right here. Absolutely suggest coming down to any First Watch you see. One of the best restaurants around for breakfast. You gotta try out their lunch one day. We'll make it happen. 9-3. That's a review. Thanks. Oh, those fish and chips rolling.
Oh. I don't know, I just took a bite.
We got the first bite going on right now. We're down at Hurricane Patty's in St. Augustine, grabbing a quick lunch before we Hurricane Patty's before we head out to Orlando.
Not bad. Fish not bad.
Fish isn't bad. It's North Atlantic cod, so it's pretty good and fresh. Got these nice, crispy, perfectly fried hush puppies. You've had hush puppies before?
Not like this.
No?
You're right.
The reason why they call them hush puppies is because once you take the first bite, you don't hear a thing. It's a nice doughy texture in the middle with a nice crunchy outside shell. Have really good flavor and good seasoning in them.
Cold beer is always good.
Can't go wrong with cold beer. Fries are bland. You definitely need some seasoning. A little love and attention on them, but it is what it is.
Really small portion.
Extremely small portion. Even for getting extra fries and extra hush puppies. The cod is definitely nice and fried. So the cod's really good. What are you thinking so far?
What is that?
What are you thinking so far?
Good. Really good.
Scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give it a 6. Not bad. I never had these hush puppies though.
No? What do you think about it?
It's like cornbread.
Yeah, it's like a cornbread.
I gotta put some tomato sauce in it.
Tomato sauce definitely makes them taste a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. The cod's pretty decent. Definitely should be smothered with tartar sauce though.
We'll have to pick up something. I have to start going and cook something else.
Yeah, definitely. We'll do a Kent's Cafe review tonight. Not really sure what we want to make.
And then head to Orlando tomorrow.
First thing in the morning, off to Orlando. Definitely nice light breading on the fish. It is definitely flaky and cooked to perfection, but not bad. Try some daddle pepper love on it, see how it makes it taste. Maybe it'll get it a little better. Definitely love a good daddle sauce, we all know that. How hot is this one gonna be? Gonna burn my mouth off, or is it gonna be mild? You can never tell with the daddle sauce. You need one that looks deceiving. It's more of the sweet daddle sauce. Has really good heat, flavor on the back. Definitely enjoying it. It's a really good sauce. I'll put that on pretty much everything. Try some. Maybe it'll make it a 7.5.
Is it going to be heated and cooled and all?
No? Don't like it? Too hot? Or? No.
You?
Yeah, it was pretty good with the fish. I like the tartar sauce better than it, but it's a daddle sauce. It's not too bad. There's definitely better daddle sauces than that one, though. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and rate this place a 7.2. Definitely want to come back and check out the clam chowder. It is New England style. They do have a good Menorcan style clam chowder, too. The place seems pretty cool. Plenty of beers on tap, good customer service, good people around. Right on the water. You really can't ask for much more than that. St. Augustine. Beautiful place. Come check out. What is it? Hurricane Patties? Hurricane Patties? Hurricane Patties is where it's at. Till next time, y'all. Thanks for watching Ken's Food Review. Peace. Say something.
Here's to you, Caleb. And there's a French fry for you, Bella. Happy birthday.
Alright, so we're back in Jacksonville for some pizza action. We're rolling still over here. We got a Supreme Pizza. Salsa. Definitely has a ton of flop. It's definitely fork and knife pizza. There's no way of getting around it. It's the best way to eat it, fork and knife, you know? How's the flavor?
Thick crust.
It's definitely very thin crust. They did thicken the edge of the crust for me a little bit. So that way it's got a little more crunchiness on the ends. It's just...
Again, the beer is the best.
The beer is always the best, you know?
Cold beer.
Cold beer, you can't argue with that. We got the Supreme Pizza, so it has Italian sausage, onions, garlic, pepperoni, and olives, along with some onions. That's really good flavor. It's pretty solid pizza. It's just a little folded over today. They do a great job with everything. How do you like the pizza?
Pizza's good.
Yeah?
I like the pizza's good. I don't know about the rest of the Italian food. But the atmosphere's good. And people, we got a good crowd.
Definitely have a good crowd. You got a nice little entertaining piano player up there. So.
Something like what Mr. Carbone would love to own.
Yeah. You would definitely make a killing over here if you opened up one of these down
we'll
there.
toast to Mr. Carbone.
There we go.
There we go.
Can't wait till you guys come down here. We'll see you tomorrow. Definitely looking forward to being in Orlando with y'all.
Salute.
Salud and pasta vajou. What do you rate the pizza?
A 7.
7. We'll go with the 7. That sounds like a fair review for tonight. You want to say hi to anybody?
Say hi to my little niece, Bella,
All right.
and Caleb.
Bella and Caleb. Caleb's definitely getting some action up in these videos the past couple of days, so definitely gonna talk about Bella and say hi to her
We'll see
too.
him soon.
He's coming down tomorrow too, right? So, all right. You want to say hi to your daughter or anything?
Who?
Maybe show her some love.
We'll say hi to poor little Kim. She had her hands full.
Definitely has her hands
Time for
full.
you to get to Florida and relax.
Definitely well-deserved vacation
Enjoy.
time coming. Absolutely.
So come to Florida, come see Daddy.
And your favorite Kent. All right, well, we'll see y'all later when you get here. Safe travels and peace. Want to do the piece?